Hello and welcome to the third part of our three-part series of Just Ask Jess on seedling germination and how Bbas will help in that whole process. A lot of us, when we start our seedlings, get very excited, and then we see emergence, and that makes us even happier because we're one step closer to having a mature plant that we can then harvest and eat some delicious fruits and vegetables from. And it is soul crushing when you look at a seedling tray and suddenly a lot of them are falling over and they are clearly struggling with some disease or some fungus. Sometimes you can see the rot on the seedling. And this is called in the industry seedling rot, pre-emergence rot, seedling die-off, damping off. It is caused by a lot of different organisms, but there are three big heavy hitters that a lot of folks struggle with. You have Pythium, Fusarium, Phytophthora. These are different microbes that are harmful to your plants. Now, how do you combat this? There is the cultivation practices like not watering too much, don't have soggy feet as it's called, where you don't want the roots to just be swimming all the time. But also general plant health is vital to your success, and seedling health is vital to the success. So Bbas is especially impactful at this stage in two different ways. The first is that we've talked about how Bbas lives inside of your plant. It is growing actually in the inner cellular spaces, so that there are voids. There are spaces in between the cells inside your plant, and that's where Bbas lives within. This is also where a lot of the harmful organisms like to live. So if Bbas is already there, they can't exactly get in, right? The other thing that Bbas does, and I would say the more important thing that Bbas does, is it is stimulating the plant's immune system. So the plant, that seedling, can fight its own battle. So even if you have Fusarium in your seedling tray, those that are treated are much less likely to suffer from seedling rot and ultimately seedling die-off. I hope that this helps you out in understanding how crucial it is to have Bbas in these very early stages of plant development. If you like this particular video, there are two earlier parts. One was on germination and taproot establishment, and the other was on true leaf assessment and deciding how you can see Bbas in action through health and vigor. We suggest strongly that if you're using our products for the first time, follow the Prime Superior Challenge. Do an untreated seedling tray where you don't have Bbas, and do a treated seedling tray, separate water reservoir where you do have Bbas. I like to suggest that if you're going to do this, use the water-soluble product. It's just so much easier because you can do a seed coat as a powder, put the seed in the dirt, and then you can also take that water-soluble powder, put it in some water, and then use it as a spray during your watering and foliar application later on in the plant's life cycle. If you have any questions, please reach out. We love hearing your feedback and better developing these videos so that you can understand what Bbas is doing for you and how it's working for you. As always, happy growing.